All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at a couple free plugins here, limited time. Tize, I guess that's how you say this one. It's a synthesizer. Some pretty cool stuff going on here. Let's check it out. We got the, mute that real quick, mute this. This is a 808 style bass. Afterburner, as they call it. And that's the patch. And then we got some different layers. We can manipulate these sounds as well. Put some slides in here. Let's see what's going on. High pass filter, low pass filter. We got reverb, we got delay. Let's check out some other sounds here. Let's check out this Bug's Life. Bug's Life. Check out this boom bass. Go to the other one here. We got the 12-string guitar playing. Let's maybe do a pad for that. Amp, organ, see what happens. All right, let's play some sounds on the keyboard here. Angel flutes. All right, so some cool stuff worth checking out. You can tweak the sounds here. You got some layers and stuff going on too. Guess you could just manipulate the sounds, make your own patches. So interesting. Let's check out this other one they got here. This is called Vibes. And we got, do it on this drum beat here. Without. Already pretty crazy. But we got a lo-fi switch here. We got a gate. We got a mix knob. High pass, low pass filter, different settings for the loop, how many, let's do 1 bar here. And then we have a speed, we could just do half speed, fourth speed, do fades, reverse. So for example, So there you go. Some interesting stuff. Let's try this lo-fi feature on a different kind of sound, because this beat's kind of really heavily processed to begin with. Kind of adds a little crackle there to the drums. So, hours of fun messing around with this thing. Drums, guitars, whatever. Let's try it on guitar, actually, or something. Just a different sound. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, before. Put it on. Again, hours of messing around, come up with some cool stuff. Anyways, just a really quick video today. There'll be links down in the description below for all this stuff. Check out my channel. I have hundreds of other plugins and music production stuff, free plugins, not so free plugins, and all that good stuff. So check it out. Please let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.